this is Dipanjali and welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is one of the popular appetizer of Mumbai, Prawns Koliwada. It is very popular in northern India and western India. So without much wasting time, let's check out the recipe for crunchy Prawns Koliwada with some easy tips. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for every new recipe notification. Let's begin. For making prawns koliwada, here I have taken 250 grams of medium-sized prawns. I have washed it thoroughly. Now I will marinate it with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'll mix it properly in this way. To this, I'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and mix all ingredients properly with the prawns. After mixing all ingredients properly, we will keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes for marination. Next, for making the batter, in a bowl we will take 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan and 2 tablespoons of rice powder. To this, I'll add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ajwain or wish of sweet, 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd, and lastly 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now we will add little bit water and make a thick batter. We will not add complete water at a time. We will check the consistency and add water accordingly. The besan batter should be very thick. See, this should be the consistency. In this I'll add the prawns. Here it goes. Now we'll mix the batter properly with the prawns. The prawns should be well coated with the batter. Give a good mix before frying it. You can also prepare this a day before and refrigerate it. Now to this, to increase the color, I'll add another tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. Meanwhile, we'll heat a kadai and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of refined oil. In this, we will fry 2 green chilies. This will bring a very good flavor. And now we'll take it out in a plate. In the same oil, we'll fry the marinated prawns. We will add the prawns one by one. Here, before adding the prawns into the kadhai, make sure the oil is enough hot. Otherwise, the coating of the besan will come out. Once the prawn is fried from both sides, we'll take it out in a separate plate. It is very important when you add the prawns in the pan, the oil should be of perfect temperature, neither too hot nor less. Also, do not fry more number of prawns at a time. This will avoid sticking of prawns. In this way, we will fry all the prawns part by part. Prawns Koliwada is a very easy and quick recipe, but yes, there are few tips we should always remember. Like, you should use a deep kadhai with enough oil into it. Secondly, do not overcrowd the kadhai with more number of prawns. Third, and the most important, the oil should be of perfect temperature for the crispy prawns koliwada. So our prawns koliwada is ready to serve. It's a great appetizer. You must try this recipe. It is very famous in all over Mumbai, Delhi, Punjab, mainly in northern and western India. So do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like the recipe, like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for new recipe notification. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. You can also check my other recipes for starters like fish finger, fish cutlet, paneer pakora, etc. Till then, have a good day. Take care.